My dear children, welcome back to mathematics class. Chapter 3, exercise 3.3 is going on. We have completed about 14 questions in this exercise. I hope you have completed all the questions and homework, everything whatever I have given in the live class. Hope you are practicing well at home. Children, let us move to next question. Question number 24. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So usually how we are starting, we have to start from the left side. Here LHS what is given? Cos 4x. So let us start from cos 4x. So cos 4x is equal to 4x, how to write? 2 into 2x. Okay, so cos 4x, how to start? Cos 2 into 2x. Okay children, now cos 2x formula you have studied. You have studied 4 formulas for cos 2x, but we have to use the appropriate formula. Look at the answer and we have to use the relative formula. Okay children, so here which formula we have to use? Cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Let us look at the answer. There the answer is, the LHS is 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So we have to use which formula? 1 minus 2 sin square x. So how can we start? First we have to write 4x, how to write? Cos into 2 into 2x. Cos 2x, what is the formula? 1 minus 2 sin square x. Here in the place of x we have 2x. So the answer becomes 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Isn't it children? In the place of x here we have 2x. So in the formula sin square x changes to sin square 2x. I hope it is clear for you. So that is equal to 1 minus 2. Sin 2x, what is the formula? 2 sin x cos x. So in the step, what is the change? 1 minus 2 into 2 sin x cos x the whole square. I hope it is clear for you. Now squaring, 2 sin x cos x changes to 4 sin square x into cos square x. Okay, now 2 into 4 become 8. So in the last step what we have? 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x, which is equal to RHS. So here we have to use two formulas. One is cos 2x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and the other is sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. I hope it is clear for you. Okay, any doubt you can call me, I will clear it. Okay, in the steps, I think in the steps everything is clear. Whatever formula we have used, it is written on the right side. Okay, it is direct application of the formula. Any doubt, let us discuss in the live class. Okay, let us move to question number 25. Question number 25, we have to start from LHS is given cos 6x. We have to reach at the RHS. So cos 6x. We don't know the formula directly. So we have to convert into our known formula. 6x, how to split? 2 into 3x. 3x in bracket. Okay, so first of all we have to use cos 2x formula. Cos 2x formula is written on the right side. Here we use another formula because we have to reach at the answer. That is our aim. We have to reach at the answer. In the answer minus 1 is last term. Is the last term. So we have to use the formula 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so here we have to use the particular formula. Then only we can reach at the answer RHS. Okay, so first step, what is the change? 2 cos square 3x minus x. Okay, in the place of x here we have the angle is 3x. So 2 cos square x, that x changes to 3x. Okay, now in the next step, cos 3x, we know the formula. What is cos 3x? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Is it clear children? Cos 3x, I told you study all the formulas by her. So here cos 3x, write the formula. So 2 into 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. There is a square, so we have to square it. Minus 1 outside. Now expand. What is a minus b the whole square? Okay, it is in the form of a minus b the whole square. So what is expansion? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a is equal to 4 cos cube x and b is equal to 3 cos x. Now let us start writing the terms. First term, 4 cos cube x the whole square become 4 square 16. Cos cube x square becomes cos raised to 6x. So first term we have 16 cos raised to 6x. Okay, outside there is a 2 is there. Okay, 2 is outside the bracket minus next term 2 into first term into second term. So 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 3, 24, cos cube x into cos x. What will be? Cos raised to 4x. Is it clear, children? Second term 2ab, 2 into first term into second term, plus b square. What is the second term? 3 cos x. What is square? 3 square is 9 and cos x square is cos square x. Okay, so close the bracket, minus 1. Outside the bracket, write minus 1. Is it clear, children? Now multiply all the three terms by 2. First term 2 into 16, 32 cos raised to 6x. Second term 24 into 2, 48 minus 48 cos raised to 4x, plus third term 9 into 2, 18 cos square x minus 1. Hence the RHS. I hope it is clear for you. So question number 25 is over. I think these are the last questions in this exercise. In between 2-3 questions we have skipped. So let us move to question number 14. Okay, question number 14, actually we have done this type question, but I think 2-3 questions in between we didn't do. So let us do one more question. Question number 14, listen children, last question we have written here. Question number 14, prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So everything, all the formulas we are using all the questions we are using the formulas directly. So you have to study all the formulas well. Okay, so let us start from the LHS. Sin 2x plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x. First of all, we have to rearrange. Okay, 2 sin 4x in the middle, we have to write it as last. Now we have first term sin 2x and second term sin 6x. We can use which formula? Sin x plus sin y. Okay, so what is sin x plus sin y? 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Okay, here x can be taken as 6x, larger number, and y can be taken as 2x. So next step becomes 2 sin 2x plus 6x by 2 into cos 6x minus 2x by 2 plus last third term no change, the same way we have to write, plus 2 sin 4x. Okay, so next step we have to reduce. What is 2x plus 6x? 8x by 2, 4x. So 2 sin 4x. Next is 6x minus 2x. What we have? 4x. By 2 we have 2x. So first term, what is the change? 2 sin 4x cos 2x plus last time already no change. We are simply writing 2 sin 4x. Now we have, is it clear children? Let us use the formula directly, but here we have to first rearrange. To apply the formula we have to rearrange. Isn't it children? Now here what is common term? 2 sin 4x is common for both the terms. Take it outside. 2 sin 4x into the first term, what is remaining after taking out? Cos 2x plus second term nothing remaining, so 1 is there. So close the bracket. Is it clear children? Now we have cos 2x plus 1 in the bracket. We have to use the formula there. It is not direct formula, it is an indirect formula. Already you have studied what is cos 2x. It is written on the right side. What is cos 2x? 2 cos square x minus 1. Take minus 1 to the left side. What will be? Cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x. Okay. So cos 2x plus 1 here in the bracket we can replace cos 2x plus 1 by 2 cos square x. Is it clear children? Already you have studied this formula. Here we need cos 2x plus 1. So it is indirect. So from this formula, take negative 1 to the left side. We will get cos 2x plus 1. Isn't it children? Now apply this result here. Substitute this result here. So 2 sin 4x into cos 2x plus 1 changes to 2 cos square x. Is it clear children? Now multiply 2 into 2, 4. Sin 4x into cos square x, cos square x into sin 4x. Simply write in order. First 2, then cos square x, then sin 4x, which is equal to RHS. Is it clear children? So all of you write these questions and study these questions in the steps. It is clear, and whatever formulas we have used, we have applied, that is written on the right side. I hope because these are the last questions, so I think you can do this yourself. Any doubt you can call me, no problem. Otherwise let us discuss in the live class. Okay, so all of you write these questions and study well. Thank you children.